Hey guys, and welcome back. I have just received the April box from Darling Beads, and we're gonna open it and look at all the items together. All right, and I hope you have nice spring days. We do here, except today we have had snow. That's not cool. But spring will finally come here as well. All right, so here's the bag of beads, and here is a paper where all the beads are listed, and we have 24 items this time. Cool. And sorry, the theme for this box is the birds and the bees. Cute. And on the back side we have some information about the stones included in this month's shipment. We have cherry blossom jasper, pink aventurine, and we have Millefiori. Millefiori is not a bead, or it's not a stone, but it's glass, and it says a little bit about the technique using it, stuff like that. All right, so let's see what we have. It's kind of heavy actually, and there are, yeah, as I said, a lot of things in it. Look at this. This is antique silver. We have greens, we have pinks, and I don't know what this is. Anyway, I'm going to sort this as usual, and we'll take a look at it one by one together. All right, let's begin. Okay, in bag number 1, very nice, we have a 19 centimeter strand of 8mm natural frosted pink aventurine round beads. The size was 8. God, this is so difficult. Oh wow, these are so pretty, really. I think maybe in the camera they look very white, but they are not. They are like a peachy color, and peach yellow color and white, and they're frosted. They are really nice, and they look so like almost a powdery color. Very nice. I like. Bag number 2. This is Millefiori beads. This is a 12 centimeter strand of 8mm Millefiori flower beads. Aren't they always flowers? Aren't they? They are very cute, and I didn't really like these before, but kind of do now. I like these aqua ones and the soft yellow ones. Not so much the blacks and reds, but these are fun. Bag number 3 looks like this. This is a 19 centimeter strand of 10mm natural cherry blossom jasper. I have never heard of that before. Look, they are absolutely stunning. Very light pink or cherry colored maybe, with these darker ones with kind of a dark brown black stripes in them. I think these are cool, and they are very glossy. See? Very pretty, I think. All right, bag number 4. In here we have 5 pieces of Lampwork Ladybug beads. Oh, these are so cute. Look at them. Little ladybugs. And they even have little feet. Look. These are cute. There's a very nice red color to them also. Very nice. I think they are very pretty and very springy, like fit for spring. Bag number 5. In here we have a 22 centimeter strand of 4 millimeter Czech glass strucks in champagne color. So very nice. Nice and shiny. Look, it turned into a heart. Anyway, like that. I think they are very nice. Pretty, pretty. Bag number 6. I can see that this is leaves. Bag number 6. 10 pieces of 13.5 by 10 millimeter two-tone Czech leaves in lime green. I must say that I don't think this is lime green. I think it's more of a, okay, maybe a dark lime green. Let's see. Oh. Maybe a lime green, yeah. They're very pretty, and I like this that they are not just one color. I think it's cool when they are two-toned. See? Pretty. Like that. Bag number, what is it, 7 is, it's a long with 29 centimeter strand of 4 millimeter glass bicones in mixed colors. I got the Christmas strand. A lot of reds in here. They're very nice. They are bicones, but they are very smooth in a way. They're not so sharp. The edges are not that sharp. And it is actually very nice. The colors are pretty, and I like the green ones and the yellow ones. The red maybe was a little bit too much now. But they're cute. And that they are kind of soft, rounded, like smoothly rounded bicones is also very nice. Okay, then we have bag number 8. These are tinies, as you can see, and this is a 37.5 centimeter strand of 3 by 2 millimeter faceted glass roundels in pale green. Yeah, it was very pale. But they are very cute also. They are small and they are shiny. I don't think they are electroplated. Were they? No. No, they are not. But look at them. They're very cute. And they are very, very, very small. See? Nice. And then we have bag number 9, which is also green. And in here we have 40 centimeter strand, 4 millimeter frosted glass round beads, also in pale green, but kind of a little bit different, I guess. Yeah, this green is a little bit more, I think, blue, but it's still kind of the same nuance, but a little bit more blue maybe. And it's really nice. They're cool when they're frosted like this. Sometimes frosted, they're sort of like a little bit grainy, but these are just not polished, sort of. They're very nice, and it's super long, this strand. Yeah, it's very long. You can sit over here maybe. And bag number 10 is this. This is a 19 centimeter strand, 6 millimeter natural faceted cherry blossom jasper. These are so nice. Look at this. Wow. Very pretty. Do they look the same as these? Yeah. They do, kind of. Nice. Very, very pretty. I think that 19 centimeter is about 7 inches. Look at that. Very nice. Okay, and then we have bag number 11. This is 20 pieces, 8 millimeter fast frosted Czech flower beads in Amethyst AB. What is that? Oh, and one drop to the floor, of course. So these are the amethyst side and the back side, or the front and the back, I don't know. You see? They're actually very nice. A little, I don't know what kind of flower this is. Maybe it's a daisy, you think? Cool. They're very pretty, and the amethyst color is also very nice. Sometimes it's, I don't know, not so nice. Put them here. Then we have bag number 12. This is green Crackle glass, I believe. And it's a 19 centimeter strand of 6 millimeter Crackle glass beads in light green. I like Crackle glass. I think it's nice. It makes it very kind of alive. What you do. It's pretty. It's a very pretty green color too. It's not so super green, but it's very like a muted green color. Pretty. And then we have baggie number 13, which is 60 pieces, 3 millimeter Czech smooth drops in light pink. Very cute. Let's see. Okay. They are small, super shiny, and the color is really nice, very light pink. So I hope you can see the pink and not just some type of white grayish thing. These are pretty. They're very, very nice. There, so we can see them. Then we have bag number 14, which is 40 centimeter strand, 4 millimeter faceted glass Bicones in light pink. These are nice too. Let's see. Like this maybe. See? It's also very nice light color, which goes pretty well with the cherry jaspers. Was it? Yeah, cherry blossom jasper. So this is a regular glass Bicone strand, but the color is very nice, and it's long. It's like a super long strand, 40 centimeters. That's a lot. I'll put it over here. All right, and then we have bag number 15, which is 8 pieces of 10 millimeter handmade round porcelain beads with pink flowers. These are super nice. I wonder if they're it's got to be hand painted too, since they're handmade, right? Well, I choose to believe so. See? It's actually very nice. Very pretty. I wonder what this could be. I don't know what kind of flower this is. Maybe a rose? I don't know. There. And then we have bag number 16. And in here we have clasps. We have 3 pieces antique silver toggle clasps. And they are flowers, they say. Let's see. Okay, we have 3 different ones. That's nice. This is not a flower, it's actually a butterfly. This is a flower, and this is a little bit rougher type of flower. As you can see, it's not super smooth silvery color, but it's a little bit rough. I like it. I think it's cool. All right, nice. And 3 pieces, that's a lot. I like that. It's always good to have. All right, then we have bag number 17. This is 10 pieces butterfly links. The size is about 17 by 14. Oh, these are nice too. It's a very nice antique silver color, and There's a hole there and there's a hole there. And it looks like that. It's very detailed. I think it's really cute. Unfortunately, it's not double-sided. It's like that on the back side. And I suppose you could easily, maybe easily, no, not really. They didn't really work if you would glue them together. You have to come up with something else. All right, bag number 18. Oh, my paper. Bag number 18. And in here we have 25 pieces of bees in antique silver. This is a little bit lighter antique silver. They are so cute. Look at this. They are little happy bees. Oh, he's so happy. Look at him. Very nice. So cute. He can sit over here. All of the bees over there. Then we have bag number 19. This is 10 pieces of 16 by 7 millimeter infinity links in antique silver. I think these are nice. I think they're pretty cool too. Could also double as an 8 if you want. I don't want that, so it has to be an infinity link. See? The size is good. I think it's not too super big or anything. Number 20, and I can see these are Rhinestone Spacers, and there are 20 of them, and they are 6 millimeter. Crystal Rhinestone Spacers, clear. Oh, these are the sparkliest things ever. Well, I can't really see that, but they are super, super sparkly. Very nice. And 20 pieces, that's good. I have such an amazing light here. I don't know if it picks up in the camera, but it's like a round LED light with lots of little lights in it, and everything gets so super sparkly. It's really cool. I'm so happy about it. Bag number 21, we have a 19 centimeter strand of 4.5 by 3 millimeter Tibetan style flowers in antique silver. And this is so cool. These are the metal flowers on a long strand. It's actually kind of long. You see? Stretches all across the screen here. They are really nice. Look. I like these. They're pretty. Over here, still in the camera. Bag number 22 then is the chain, and it's a 4 by 2 millimeter Rollo chain, also in antique silver. And as I've said before, I like Rollo chains. I think they are, very substantial and cool. Looks like this. It's nice. And then we have bag number 23. And in here we have 2 pieces, 41 by 29 millimeter Tibetan style flower links. These are nice. I think they should be like this. This is the back. They are unfortunately not double-sided. There. And they are, if I'm not mistaken, they're kind of like filigree, sort of, because there are holes in all of these spaces there. It's kind of hard to see. So you can make other things instead of just using as a link or a chandelier or a pendant. So it's kind of nice. And then the final bag. In here we have 40 pieces Tibetan style corrugated barrel spacers in, of course, antique silver. They look like this. I think these are also a little bit lighter than antique, but they're not kind of silvery, I mean normal silver color. These are quite detailed. I think these are cute and small. See? So this was actually everything from from the April box from Darling Beads, and I am very happy with it. I think there's a lot of beads, and they are pretty. They are well coordinated, and sometimes things don't match totally, but I also think that's it's kind of fun. That it makes you think a little bit, and these are so gorgeous. I think they were they pink aventurine, I think. Yeah, look at this, and these are pretty. I think I'm a little bit in love here, actually. Well, I hope you liked them too, and I hope you liked the video, and take care of yourselves, and see you next time. Bye.